Hey guys, Pokémon here, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, well, not unboxing, untinning, well anyways, I'm going to be opening the Pokemon Swampert tin box. So as you can see here, it's here. Side. We got this on the back. Okay. So when you open it up, we obviously have the front card. Pretty cool actually. It's a full art, and if you see that, it's also hollow. We have this. Use that code if you want to. And then, like all tins, pretty much, we have 4 packs. Okay, so we have X and Y Phantom Forces, X and Y Roaring Skies, X and Y Primal Clash, and X and Y Roaring Skies. I'm going to be opening Roaring Skies first. Right here. Okay. So first we had the Glade Spirit Link. Then we have Wide Lens, Peta, Swablu, Wumple, Nincada, Pinnacle, Hollow. Then we have, the Kuno, that's pretty cool, and Steven. Okay, on to the next one. Next I'm going to do Primal Clash. Okay, so first we have Bidoof. Okay. Then we have Nidoqueen, Honedge, Meditite, Drillbur, Shroomish, Milo, Surskit, Hollow. Whoa, we have Melodic, Hollow, and then we have Raidon. Okay, next I'm going to be doing Roaring Skies. Okay, we're doing it. It's the second one that came in. Okay. Okay, at first we have Classic Pikachu. Then we have Bidoof. Then we have some Shuppets. Ooh. Hollow Mega Galadade EX. That's pretty cool. Hollow. Then we have Silcoon, Ultra Ball, Pelipper, Bagon, Execute, and then Fletchling. Okay, on to the last card. Ooh. Okay, so first we have Robo Substitute, we have Tierno, we have Krabby, we have Dino, we have Gligar, we have Dedenne, we have Alola, we have Crobat, Hollow, that's pretty cool, Gudra, Hollow, and then Lumion. Okay, well, in today's video, we got Swampert EX, Fallout, Hollow, and yeah. First of all, this was the beginning card, and here are the other cards. This one, this one, and finally this one. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.